Via remote software upgrade, it is now possible to equip your BMW with additional features and functions over the air. In this video, we will show you as an example how to order the BMW High Beam Assistant via the BMW ConnectedDrive Store. The following process works for other features and functions as well. When you press the High Beam Assistant button on the indicator lever and the function is available but not installed yet, the instrument cluster and the central information display show an according notice. To order the function, please go to the BMW ConnectedDrive Store. Log in with your ConnectedDrive credentials. Choose Store and select the feature you want to order, in this case, the High Beam Assistant. Add this feature to your shopping cart. Select the Checkout button. If your personal data has not changed, scroll down and click on Next. Confirm your payment method with selecting Next. In the order overview, you can check your order and billing data for the payment. After accepting the terms and conditions, press Order Now. You will get a confirmation of your purchase and you can start the installation after your next journey. Please watch our other how-to video where we show the installation process. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.